Um, the other thing I want to show or want to do is something that displays my fruits. So I'm going to say list fruits, and we'll say self. It doesn't take any parameters. And I'm going to, again, use this idea of looping through the fruit. But first I'm going to say print my fruit stand. And below that, I'm going to print a little line here, times 40. And now I'm going to loop through the fruit for ob fruit in self dot li fruit. Now we are going to say print, you ready for this? ob fruit. That's all we got to do. Because in our fruit up here, we defined that. So whenever we print that fruit, it's going to print out the quantity, the name, and the price in a neat way. So we just have to loop through each fruit and print the object. So that's nice. One last thing we got to do is we need to be able to update the quantity. And you could, there's two ways to do this. There's two ways to update the quantity. One is you could find the object in that list and then call the setter directly for that fruit. However, I think there's a good case here for delegating the management of the number of fruit or setting the quantity to your fruit stand class. And so what we're going to do is we're actually going to create a setter method that calls the setter method of the fruit. So that's how we're going to do this.